This is how to verify a Google AdSense account. Be it YouTube AdSense or normal site AdSense, this is a method on how to verify it. First of all, click on payments, then click on payment info. So make sure your name is corresponded with your ID card. So for this, let's change this name. So make sure your name is the same with your ID card. So the next step is to verify the AdSense account. Go home. You can click on action required. There's something to check. Click on verify now. As you can see, the type of ID card you need. So click on start verification. Then select your ID card, whether driver license, passport, national ID card, or register remains. So for this video, we'll be using passport. So upload your passport. Click on next. So the next step is to verify your name and your address. Click on next still. So let's wait. Okay, verification successful. As you can see, we have successfully verified this Google AdSense account. So let's check our Gmail. Let's check our email if they sent us any verification email. Okay, Google AdSense identifier verification successful. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully verified our Google AdSense accounts. So let's go back to the AdSense account. Okay, you can still see the notification. Just give it for like 10 minutes, then refresh. The notification will disappear. Okay, it have gone. You can see we have successfully verified this Google AdSense account. So let's go to the settings. Let's go to payments and payment info to check. Scroll down. The verification check. Okay, identity successful. Okay, so this is a simple way to how to verify your AdSense account. Do it to like, share, and subscribe.